There are countless opportunities to turn your passion into a lucrative income stream. One such avenue is creating motivational content on YouTube. The power of motivation cannot be underestimated, and people are always on the lookout for inspiration and positivity in their lives. In this video, we'll explore how you can potentially make $1,000 per day by posting motivational videos on YouTube. Find your niche. Before you start counting your earnings, it's crucial to find your niche within the motivational content space. What inspires you? What message do you want to convey? Your content should reflect your passion and expertise. Whether it's personal development, fitness, career advice, or daily affirmations, pinpoint your niche and tailor your content accordingly. Create high-quality content. Quality is key when it comes to attracting and retaining viewers on YouTube. Invest in good equipment, such as a high-resolution camera, microphone, and video editing software. Your videos should be visually appealing, well-edited, and have clear audio. Additionally, ensure your content is unique, engaging, and provides real value to your audience. Consistency is key. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Consistency is crucial. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Consistent posting helps build trust with your audience, keeps them coming back for more, and can improve your videos' ranking in YouTube's algorithm. Engage with your audience. Building a strong connection with your audience is essential. Respond to comments, engage in discussions, and ask for feedback. When your viewers feel heard and appreciated, they are more likely to become loyal subscribers and share your content with others. Optimize for search engines. To make money on YouTube, you need views. To get views, you need to optimize your videos for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Research popular search terms in your niche and incorporate them into your content to increase discoverability. Monetize your channel. Once your channel gains traction and starts accumulating subscribers and views, it's time to monetize. Here are some of the primary ways to make money on YouTube. Ad revenue. YouTube's partner program allows you to earn a share of the ad revenue generated by your videos. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services in your videos and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. You'll earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate links. Sponsored content. Partner with companies or brands that align with your niche and create sponsored content. You'll receive payment for featuring their products or services in your videos. Merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, consider selling merchandise related to your channel. T-shirts, mugs, and other branded items can be a lucrative source of income. Patreon or crowdfunding. Encourage your viewers to support you through platforms like Patreon or crowdfunding websites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo.